After leaving Fredericton, I biked to Moncton and went to Magnetic Hill. I met some really friendly people there. This here is Magnetic Hill, and although it looks like I'm biking upward, I'm actually going downhill. Next I headed off to the Bay of Fundy, which had some really awesome mud and some incredible formations. The next morning I headed back to Moncton to watch the tidal bore coming in. It's a large wave created from the incoming tides of the Bay of Fundy. Well, we're at the Confederation Bridge shuttle here. I got my ticket. Someone's going to come and pick me up and drive me across because bikes are not allowed on this bridge. I headed across the 13-kilometer long Confederation Bridge and was soon on Prince Edward Island. Crazy story, but I randomly met this lady that lived on Vancouver Island briefly and went to the same elementary school as my mother as a kid. I stopped in at this antique car museum, which was really cool. They even had Elvis Presley's 1959 pink Cadillac. I also passed through the little city of Charlottetown, which was quite nice. Next, I biked to the ferry and headed off towards Nova Scotia. I biked out to Dartmouth and checked out Halifax. I met up with some friends that evening and had a fun time going around the city. The next day we headed out to Peggy's Cove, which was really beautiful. That evening, my friend showed me her bees, and we went for a zip around the lake on her boat. Next, I left Halifax and started cycling north towards Sydney. I stopped in at Goshen and visited my aunt's best friend, and we picked a whole bunch of chanterelles. We also went to her friend's house with a whole bunch of different types of birds. We made some delicious stir fry and had a wonderful evening. I went to the Alexander Graham Bell Museum of Quebec and had no idea that he invented so much more than just the telephone. Soon I arrived in Sydney and got in line to take the ferry to Newfoundland. The ferry left at midnight, so everybody slept on board. As we arrived in Newfoundland, I couldn't believe how stunningly rocky and barren it was. It was unlike anything I'd ever seen before.